My channel, and today I'm just going to show you what I got in my Feelunique pick and mix. So there you go, there's the Feelunique thingamajigs, the logo. I haven't got any makeup on today because I just couldn't be bothered, and actually it's just a Sunday and today I've been like looking at a new car, so you know, it's just one of them days, just couldn't be bothered to put it on, and I went to have a look at a new car, so we were really, you know, just getting a new car. Right, okay, so that has nothing to do with this. So this is the Feelunique unboxing video, and it is £3.95 for Feelunique. And if you were to like go on the webpage for Feelunique, you could actually just get your £3.95 back. So technically this is all free that's in here, and you can earn platinum rewards, and it says you earn a platinum reward or a money back voucher when your spend reaches like the £50 mark. So it would be typically, if I was to go out and buy a mascara on Feelunique, I would get my £3.95 postage, £3.95 back, and so that is how it works. So let's just get into it because I don't want to bore you with too much information. Right, so now I've heard of some YouTubers using their email twice, and I didn't do that, but maybe I will do that next time. Right, so the first sample is what I got is this one. I can't remember actually choosing that one, but there it is. If it's going to show up, camera be nice. It is the anti-pores Rejoice Light Facial Day Cream. There it is. So this obviously won't last me a month. It will last me about 2 weeks or somewhere around about there, but you get like 5 samples of products. So this one is the Emma Hardy Midas Touch Eye Serum. I've never ever tried an Emma Hardy one before, but I've heard other YouTubers on about it, and it is supposed to be amazing. So there we go, there is the Emma Hardy Eye Serum. And then the next one is this one, which is the SVR SPF 50 cream. And so there, oh, I nearly dropped it. So that is that one. Then the next one is a SPF 30 cream. Do you see the thing what I'm going with here? Because I just like SPF cream. It's when it's hot, you need to have some protection on your face. I know that. I think that is all of my samples. Oh, we've got some more information here. And this is a Zalapan's Youth Glow Foundation in the shade Porcelain. So is it going to show up? So there it is, and so we have a little bit of a letter. It says, just for you, special offers from partners. So there it is, and we've got in this envelope, so it's obviously the Bloom Wildflowers, and they're everywhere this month. Seen those on advertised on a lot of beauty boxes, so they're obviously doing their rounds. So this is a treat for you, £10 off your first order with bloomingwild.com. So yeah, and yeah, just pass it on and you can get yourself £10 off those. There we go. And so that just is my order slip. I don't want to bore you with that, but there it is. So it is my pick and mix 5. Whoop, your pick and mix is here. So there you go, you get a leaflet to tell you that your pick and mix is here. Right, okay, so then we're going to try this one, which is the SVR SPF 50. It's just because I've just picked it back up again. It was on my first one of the pile. So this is I'm sure we've had SVR items before in our beauty boxes. Right, is it going to come out? So it looks like that. It's like a yellowy colour. And it does have a little scent to it of like of a suntan lotion scent. So there we go, and that is that one. Then the next one, I'm not going to cut into these, but that was the Emma Hardy one. I will probably tell you about these on my Instagram. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's just jhodgson36. It'll be somewhere around about on the screen. So yeah, so that is my pick and mix for the month of July. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye! Welcome back.